Hello guys, this is Vishal and welcome to my channel called Programming World. So today we are going to see what is Tricentis TOSCA, how to download it and how to install it on our machines. So this will be the trial version. I will be showing how to install trial version on your machine. First of all, what is Tricentis TOSCA? Tricentis TOSCA is a software tool that is used to automate end-to-end testing of software applications. It combines multiple aspects of software testing such as test case design, test case automation, test data design, and generation of data. This tool is developed in C# for majority of its parts. So let's get started. We will first launch Tricentis website. So this is the website from where we will be downloading the trial version. Just click on this free trial button. Just scroll down. Here you can see Tricentis TOSCA. Just click on this start free trial for Tricentis TOSCA. Now just scroll down here. Now here you can see two options available: Automation Recording Assistant and TOSCA Plus Automation Recording Assistant. So I will go with the second one. Just scroll down and click on free trial. Just scroll down and it asks for your email ID. Just provide your email ID here and click on get started. Then just fill this information, all those stuff. I will quickly fill it. Once all the details are filled, just click on these two check boxes. Scroll down and here you will see an option download now. As you can see, it's a 1.2 GB file. It's getting downloaded here. For now, I will just cancel this because I already have the setup with me. So this is the setup which has been downloaded. Just double click on it. Click on run. Just click on the checkbox I agree to the license terms and conditions. Click on continue. These are the prerequisites which are required for the installation of TOSCA. Click on next. Now I will be installing the TOSCA commander which includes all these components. Click on next. This is the destination file where you want to install the TOSCA. I will keep it as default. Click on next. Next. If you are having a license version, you can just click the checkbox. For now, I am keeping it as blank. Click on next. Now it says that it's ready to install all these components. Click on install button. You can see it's getting installed now. As you can see, the process has been started. So it will install all these components one by one. As you can see, it started with the second component, Tricentis TOSCA commander. Next up is T-box. I will fast forward the video now. So once installation is done, you will be brought to this summary page. You will see the list of components which got installed. So just click on this finish button. So to launch TOSCA, just go to the start button and click on TOSCA commander. You will see this splash screen for TOSCA 13.2 TOSCA commander. So this will be the landing page for TOSCA commander. So that's bring us to the end of this session. I will see you in next session. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Programming World.